Today is fifth one. Yes. Today, Vashishta Ashtakam fifth. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's glorification on his Vyas Puja's day. Srila Prabhupada wrote 8 Ashtak. Vashishta Ashtak. Today we will eat fifth one. एकला ईश्वर हुए ज्योति धन बारे जरे प्रतिष्ठा से साधु ताज. Yes, you can preach alone. You can get some follower and get some result also. That's true. You cannot preach alone. You can preach alone also. You can get some result also. Achievement, name, fame, adoration, recognition. That's true. But problem is that you will get the credit alone. So that means if we want preach alone, we'll get credit alone. So that means this name, fame, adoration will pollute our mind or heart. So if we preach alone, and a decision we take alone, if we get some success or result, then we'll know, oh, I am great preacher. That plan came from my mind. So I am really some special. And people will glorify. And what will happen? That is actually opposite of the consciousness of Vaishnavism. Vaishnavas never want that type of recognition. That pratishtha, that recognition, actually material recognition. Jarer pratishtha. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. Jarer pratishtha, shukarer vishtha. This type of material recognition, name, fame, adoration, compared with hawk's stool. So that is why sadhu taha chhare. Sadhu always careful. No, I don't want this material recognition. So if I preach alone, if I take decision alone, then I'll get credit. There will be material recognition. So that is harmful for my spiritual life. That is why devotee is very careful about that. তোমার কনক ভাই ভোগের জনক প্রভুপাদ বলেছিল সে কথা অথক. No. It is my mind, money, my wealth. So I have used. So why we should not take credit myself? Why I should give credit to others? This is mine, belonging to mine. But yes, it is yours. That's maybe partially right. But problem is that tomar konok bhoger janok. Janok means father. When there is some material wealth, that will give birth of so many material desires. That is why devotee want to be nishkinchan, no material possession. No material possession, no plan for sense gratification. But if we have so many material possessions, then material possessions will stimulate our brain, mind. Oh, you have this, you have this, you have this, do this, do this, do this. So, tomar konok bhoger janok. If you think it is your money, then money will stimulate you to enjoy. Bhoger janok. Bhog, material sense gratification. We are doing so many material sense gratification. Who is the father? Who has provoked us? Actually, konok has. Like a poor man, by seeing a beautiful girl, may not think, oh, I should marry her. But if a king walks in the street, if say a beautiful girl, oh, I am the king, why I cannot marry her? So he can think in such a way. Because he says, I am the Lord and Master. So when we have some this type of material wealth, due to material wealth, there is every possibility of coming different plans for self gratification. So if as we are devotee, want to become devotee, that means we don't want name fame adoration, and we don't want that sense gratification. And sense gratification come from the material wealth. If I have no wealth, there is no question of sense gratification. That is why those who want to become Vaishnava, especially those on brahmacharis, they should not collect any money. If they have any money, their money will give some plan. Do this, do this, do this. So if we want, someone wants to remain whole life brahmachari, celestial life, then he should not collect any money. Because if money, they will give birth of desire of sense gratification. That is the instruction of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta বলেছিল সে কথা। Bhakti Siddhanta told this truth, that if you have money, that money, if you don't use in Krishna's service, if you think your money, then will give birth to so many type of materials, desire for sense gratification. So what I'll do my wealth? Yes, you can use in Krishna's service. তোমার সম্পত্তি ছাড়া প্রচারের তারে। No, I have so much wealth, I have bank balance, my father has a lot of property, so what I should do? Yes, if you have so much money, তোমার সম্পত্তি ছাড়া প্রচার, use that for preaching purpose. If you are thinking you have really something, yes, use that in preaching purpose. তোমার সম্পত্তি, your wealth, সারো প্রচার, give up প্রচারের তাতে, for the purpose of preaching. একত্রে বসিয়া করো বিশেষ বিচারে, and sit down together and discuss. No, it is my mind, money, I will take decision alone. No, your money, but it is not that due to your money you will take decision alone. No. So nice instruction of Prabhupada. Your money, engage in preaching purpose, but that preaching plan should be taken together, not alone. Now, your money, you will take decision alone. Again, the same problem. If it is your money, like what happens? Like those are preachers, counselors. I have made him devotee, so I will engage him. Nobody has right to engage him in any other service. You want to enjoy that counsel also. Here, whatever counsel, even if you have some money, it is not here. No, I am using for preaching. Yes, you use for preaching, but the preaching plan should not done alone. You are using your money for preaching, but if you not take that decision together, that means that is also for your sense gratification and also name fame adoration. Why you want to take decision alone? Because I don't want to give credit to others. So, একত্রে বসিয়া করো বিশেষ বিচার. Sit together, discuss what is the good, in which way we do preaching. We should not take it as my money, that is I should take decision. No. Money may be yours, actually nothing belongs to us. But decision we should take combined. No. I get so much success in my preaching. So why I need suggestion from other? I made this preaching, that many hundreds of videos I made. So why I should take advice from other? Then Prabhupada said, what about you, a great preacher? Krishna himself wants suggestion from other. He said, স্বয়ং ভগবান কহে একলা আমার, নাহি বল সবে মিলি করহ প্রচার. What about yourself? Swayam Bhagavan, Krishna personally himself said, Chaitanya in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Koi ekala amar, for my alone, nahi ball. I don't have any strength. That is why সকলে মিলি combinedly karo prachar. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, I am the Lord and Master of this world, material and spiritual world. Still, I don't have a sufficient strength to distribute. So that is why you commandly please. Ekela malakar ami kaha kaha jabo, ekela ba eto fol kaha bilai. Ekela bilai te hoy parishram, keho paye keho na paye, roy mone bhram. So it is my wealth, you distribute. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, it is my wealth, you distribute. Commandly distribute. Because if I alone want to distribute, I cannot. At the same time, they are troublesome. And if I distribute, still there is a laborious activity because I have to go everybody. So I am instructing you please together. Ekatra. Nahi Shabe mili. Shabe mili means everybody combinedly together. Karo prachar. প্রভুপাদ বলেছেন সেই বাণী শেষ প্রয়ত্ন করহ তাই অশেষ বিশেষ. As this is the instruction of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Prabhupada, he is not an ordinary person. He is a Vaikuntha man. So as a spiritual master is a Vaikuntha man, that means everything belongs to his transcendent. So his instruction also perfect, absolute. So no need of interpret his instruction. That is the end of the instruction. Shaivani Shesh. So whatever Bhakti Siddhanta, what I am telling, Prabhupada saying, what I am telling, my Guru Maharaj Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's instruction. So that is perfect. No need of contemplate or interpret it. So that is why prayatna karotaha. So try to follow that instruction. Ashesha vishesh. With your full strength. So don't interpret it. Just accept the instruction of my spiritual master Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada and try your best. Ashesha vishesh. অন্যথা বিধাশ্রম সব পণ্ড হবে সাধু সাবধান হও পশ্চাতে পস্তাবে. অন্যথা বিধাশ্রম. অন্যথা, if you don't do this, অন্যথা, if you don't please, if you don't follow in the line of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, commandly please give up your wealth, because that is the father of sense gratification, and also give you name, fame, credit. So that is why follow Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's instruction as it is. If you don't do annatha, if you don't follow this instruction, then Brithashram. Brithashram means fruitless labor. Your shram, your labor will be britha. Moghasha mogho karmano mogho jnana vichetasha. Bhagavad Gita 9 chapter 12 verse. Moghasha mogho jnana, moghasha mogho karmano, mogho karma. All labor will be fruitless. That means after that, what is the verse? Mahatma. Mahatma naste mangpat. So that means the previous verse is opposite of Mahatma. Duratma. Brithashram. Duratma's shram actually Brithashram. Moghasha mogho karma. Mogho jnana vichetasha. Rakshurim ashurim chaiva. Prakritim means Rakshushim. So here also, if we don't follow Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati's instruction in such a way as it is, otherwise we can try, but result will be zero. Vithashram. Shop panda hobe. Shop panda hobe means everything will come to zero. Everything will destroy. That is why sadhu savadan hao paschate pastav. That is why sadhu savadan hao. Oh devotee, please be careful. Savadan hao means please become cautious, careful. Otherwise, paschate pastav. Paschate means at last. At the end. Pastav means lament. If you lament, otherwise you lament. Oh, I have not understood it before. If I understood before, I can practice. If you don't want to lament like that, now follow the instruction as it is. Sadhu Savadan hao. O devotee, please be attentive. Take this instruction seriously. Otherwise, you have to lament at the end. Then Prabhupada became little annoyed because this type of instruction Prabhupada was telling to his godbrothers and others so many times, but not so well. People are taking it seriously. Then he said, Emon ki kothin karya ekatra milite. What is the difficulty? What is the difficulty? Emon ki kothin. Emon ki kothin, what is the difficulty? Karya, activity. Ekatra milite, combinedly work. What is the difficulty in combinedly work? Kenoi ba eto kotha hoteche bole? Keno? Why? I have to say so much. Kenoi ba eto kotha? Eto kotha means so much discussion. What is the need of so much discussion? Hote se bolite. Hote se bolite means I have to say. Why I have to say all these things? Why you cannot understand? And why so many times I have to tell all these things? What is the difficulty in preaching combinedly? And we are seeing the result. Srimad Bhaktacharya Swami Guru Maharaj told about that. Like Prabhupada told to manage society combinedly. That is why Rabindra Sharupu made one book, Founder Acharya. They're so nicely mentioned, all these things. So what is the importance of combined preaching? But one person mistake, if he is one leader, his mistake everybody. So that is why we should take combined. And for last 1 week, we are doing a brainstorming session, more than 1 week. Every day, so many nice points are coming. Some devotees are giving some points, we never thought about it. What is the problem to taking his advice? So Prabhupada has instruction that, so why we cannot accept others' opinion? Jid. Jid, what is called actually hati. What is English? Obstinate. Obstinate? Hati. Jiddi. Why you have so jiddi? Why so obstinate? Sarojit, Korohit, Shamai Janai. Give up all this type of nonsense. This type of jid or arrogant mentality, jiddi mentality. What is the other English? Proper English? Jid, arrogant,
Stubborn.
Stubborn. Why like? Give up this stubborn mentality. Sarojit. Korohit. Korohit means do welfare activities of others. If you do this type of stubborn nature, you cannot do welfare activities of others. Sarojit Korohit. If you give up your stubborn nature, then you will be able to do good to others. Shamai Janai. They are not so much time. You have wasted your 20 to 25 years by studying only. Maximum audience are students here. So you have already wasted. I don't know, wasted or used, maybe. So you have already wasted so much time. সময় যে নাই, শুভ মিলিবার তিথি এসো সব ভাই। শুভ মিলিবার তিথি, what is the meaning of শুভ মিলিবার তিথি? Auspicious time for combinedly work. What is that? What is that? Who can give quick answer? শুভ মিলিবার তিথি, auspicious time for uniting together. What is that?
Vyas Puja.
Yes, at least we may forget other time. At least today is Vyas Puja celebration. At least today you can remember his spiritual master. So today is a very auspicious day, the Vyas Puja celebration of my spiritual master. So at least we can take that vow today. Shubho Milibar Tithi. This is a very auspicious moment for combinedly together. Yesho Shab Bhai, oh brother, come together. So nice, huh? Very powerful. Thank you very much. Shila Prabhupada ki jai.